Good evening, everyone. A question for you. Unplug or be unplugged? What is better? When you have many things plugged into an outlet in your house, you get a storm surge. You run the risk of shorting out TVs and many things because even fires can start when you have too many things plugged in. These things can even lead to a house burning down. And this inspired me to make this video. In this system, we know that eventually we will be on one side or the other. I have been feeling that separation, that call to unplug more from the system and the world, because drawing closer to the Word and to my Messiah is what I desire. So when you think about the things of this world that we accumulate, and I put a picture of my truck in these pictures because I wanted to emphasize the fact that we may not idolize many of these things, but they are something that we desire and we hold on to and we create as an image. And sometimes less is more. And truly being able to walk away from things and pick up your cross and follow Messiah is something that, as disciples, as followers in Him, is what we must do. And it's not an easy thing. But this is the set apart life. We are not all called to drastically make changes in our lives, but at the current stage that we are in, we may very well be unplugged from the system because we know the system will not last forever. Why not prepare yourself so that you can unplug carefully before the storm comes? And this has inspired me to make this video, and I will share some other photos just to show that we can build many things of happiness in this world. But the true happiness and the joy really comes from our Messiah, because that is why we are here, to find Him and to accept His gift. I absolutely love that He has opened my eyes and my ears and my heart to receive all the things that He is giving me. So with that, I want to read to you Matthew 16:24 through 27. Then said Yahusha unto his Talmudim, if any man will come after me, let him deny himself and take up his cross and follow me. For whosoever shall save his life shall lose it, and whosoever will lose his life for my sake shall find it. For what is a man profited, if he shall gain the whole world and lose his own soul? So what shall a man give in exchange for his soul? For the Son of Adam shall come in the glory of his Father with his angels, and then shall reward every man according to his works. Amen. I say unto you, there be some standing here which shall not taste of death, till they see the Son of Adam coming in his kingdom. We don't know everything that is going to happen to us and how we may die or may see that day that is the end of our days. But we do not live in fear. We live in obedience and love with our whole hearts of his statutes and his ways. And we walk in faith and we sacrifice things in our lives to walk closer to him. So there is no attachment in this world that is dear to my heart. The only attachment that is dearest to my heart is the connection that I have with the Messiah, our Yahusha HaMashiach. Be blessed, everyone.